In the 1980s, Japan was on the brink of becoming the world's largest economy. Companies like Sony, Toshiba, and Panasonic dominated global markets. It was a time of unprecedented growth and optimism. The term "made in Japan" became synonymous with quality and innovation. However, in the early 1990s, Japan's economic bubble burst. Welcome to a journey through Japan's economic history and its current resurgence. Join us as we explore how Japan went from economic powerhouse to decades of stagnation, and now signs of revitalization in the 2020s. In the 1980s, Japan was on the brink of becoming the world's largest economy. Companies like Sony, Toshiba, and Panasonic dominated global markets. Tokyo's real estate was valued higher than California's entire real estate market. It was a time of unprecedented growth and optimism. Japan's economic rise began in the post-war period. With substantial American aid through the Marshall Plan, Japan rebuilt its infrastructure and focused on industrial growth. By the 1960s and 70s, Japan had become a leader in automobile and electronics manufacturing. The term "made in Japan" became synonymous with quality and innovation. Exports surged, and Japan's GDP growth rates were among the highest in the world. However, in the early 1990s, Japan's economic bubble burst. The Tokyo Stock Exchange crashed, and real estate values plummeted. This marked the beginning of Japan's lost decades. The bubble burst was a result of speculative investments in real estate and stock markets, fueled by excessive lending. Banks were left with massive non-performing loans. This led to a banking crisis and a prolonged period of deflation. Despite various government interventions, Japan struggled to recover, facing high debt levels and an aging population. In 2012, Prime Minister Shinzo Abe introduced Abenomics, a series of economic reforms aimed at stimulating growth through government spending, monetary easing, and structural reforms. These measures were designed to break the cycle of deflation and stagnation. Abenomics focused on three arrows: aggressive monetary policy to combat deflation, flexible fiscal policy to stimulate demand, and structural reforms to enhance competitiveness. While these policies had mixed results, they managed to stabilize the economy and set the stage for future growth. Fast forward to September 2023, when the Tokyo Stock Price Index reached its highest level since 1990. Foreign investment surged, marking a turnaround in investor confidence after years of decline. Several factors contributed to this revival. The global economic environment improved, and Japan's strategic investments in technology and innovation began to pay off. Additionally, efforts to open up the economy to foreign investment and talent helped boost growth. Japan's economy is benefiting from unexpected factors like labor shortages and inflation. These challenges, while typically seen as negative, are actually driving growth by increasing wages and stimulating consumer spending. Labor shortages have forced companies to increase wages and improve working conditions to attract and retain employees. Leveraging technology, Japan aims to mitigate demographic challenges. Robotics, AI, and automation are being integrated into various sectors to support healthcare, elderly care, and industries facing labor shortages. Japan has long been a leader in technology, and it is now focusing on using these innovations to address its unique demographic challenges. Robotics and AI are being deployed in healthcare to assist with elderly care, while automation is helping industries remain competitive despite a shrinking workforce. While pursuing economic revival, Japan prioritizes quality of life, cultural heritage, and societal well-being. Initiatives in sustainable living and environmental conservation reflect broader societal values beyond mere economic growth. The country is investing in green technologies and sustainable practices to ensure that economic growth does not come at the expense of the environment and societal well-being. Looking ahead, Japan faces both challenges and opportunities. Government is focusing on structural reforms, the technological advancements, and fostering innovation to ensure sustainable economic growth. Key areas of focus include increasing productivity, promoting entrepreneurship, and enhancing global competitiveness. Japan is also looking to strengthen its ties with other Asian economies and play a more significant role in regional trade and investment. Japan's economic journey from the heights of the 1980s to overcoming decades of stagnation offers lessons in resilience, innovation, and the pursuit of sustainable prosperity. As the world watches, Japan navigates a new era, embracing change while preserving its rich cultural legacy.